In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a photo in Adobe Express from start to finish. We'll walk through a clean, practical workflow that takes you from a raw image to a polished design, all inside Adobe Express. I'll keep things simple, explain what each tool does, and share a few tips so your edits look intentional and professional. Start by opening Adobe Express and uploading your image. You can drag and drop a file or choose it from your device. High-resolution images give you more flexibility, especially if you plan to crop or add text later. Once it's loaded, you'll see your image on the canvas with tool options around it. Begin with composition. Use crop to frame your subject and remove distractions. Toggle on a grid if available, and try aligning key elements along the rule of thirds for a balanced look. Resize lets you choose common aspect ratios for different platforms, like square or widescreen, without guessing dimensions. If the horizon looks tilted, use rotate to straighten it. Small adjustments here will make the rest of your edits much easier. Next, enhance the image with filters and adjustments. Filters can set a mood quickly, but keep them subtle so your photo still looks natural. In adjustments, nudge brightness and contrast to add clarity, then fine-tune saturation to avoid overly intense colors. Use temperature and tint to correct color balance. Warmer for sunset tones, cooler for a crisp, modern feel. Make changes gradually and keep an eye on skin tones and neutral areas to maintain realism. Now use generative fill to add, replace, or remove objects. Select the area you want to change and enter a short, clear prompt like remove the trash can or add a potted plant. Review the variations and pick the one that matches your lighting and perspective. If needed, run it again with a slightly different prompt. This tool is great for quick cleanups or creative additions. For precise cutouts, go to Erase and Mask. Use background removal to isolate your subject, then refine edges with a smaller brush around hair and fine details. Feather slightly to blend the edges, and invert the mask if you need the opposite selection. This is perfect for creating overlays or placing your subject on a new backdrop. Finally, add design elements like text, shapes, overlays, or icons. Choose a readable font, establish hierarchy with size and weight, and keep text high contrast against the background. Use shapes or subtle overlays to improve legibility, and stick to a simple color palette for a cohesive look. Icons work best when used sparingly to support your message, and that's the complete flow, from upload to design-ready image using Adobe Express.